wishing on the stars for Christmas and hoping for a better day when it doesn't hurt to feel this way. And everywhere there's joy around this festive time of year, but happiness has never felt so far away. All of the bells ringing out for Christmas, I'm singing goodbye to the year before. I know that the next one will be different, so much more. All of the bells ringing out for Christmas, and I'm not supposed to feel this way, but all that I want this year for Christmas is New Year's Day. It's only 7 days till Christmas, 6 more till New Year's Day. It's not a good time to feel this way. Everywhere the snow surrounds you and melts your troubles away. I can only hope to feel the same. I know there'll be tidings of joy this time next year, but happiness has never felt so far